Hi, my name is Suvan Cabral.
I'm Professor Julian Leyland.
My name is James Thompson.
Hello, my name is Louis Sandis.
My name is Klaus-Peter Zauner.
My name is Christian Crodera.
My name's Jim Scanlon.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Surati.
Our team at the Matheny Ecohydrology Research Group, supervised by Dr. Ashley Matheny, is leading the remote sensing technology for preemptive fire ignition risk assessment.
I'm a physical geographer and also Director of Environmental Sensing at Southampton, a research facility which uses aerial platforms and sensors for detecting features on the Earth's surface. And we're also interested in using geospatial data to assess wildfire risk.
I'm co-leading the Texas-Soton team, and my group are leading the fire detection research, specifically the development of multispectral infrared imaging systems and thermal anomaly detection and characterization algorithms to better identify wildland fires.
I'm at the University of Southampton, and my team will develop onboard embedded systems, including the reliable hardware and the real-time firmware for it.
My focus will be on control systems engineering. On this project, my team will be leading the development of the paramotor fire suppression UAV in terms of design and control.
I'm an academic at the University of Southampton, and I'll be helping with design on the XPrize project.
I'm a professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering at the University of Texas Austin. I have expertise in search behaviors for multi-agent systems, as well as building actuators for different autonomous systems.
I'm an assistant professor at the University of Southampton and one of the co-leads of the project. My team and I are working on human-on-the-loop system. We developed swarm coordination algorithms as well as a digital twin platform for controlling a UAV swarm.